All right, so today we are going to unpack and set up the Fender ROCKSTER Air 2, big old speaker. I plan on rocking out in my garage with. As you can see, it did ship when I received it. It had some damage to it, but if you pull that open, it's got some good foam, so it doesn't appear that the speaker's damaged at all, just the box. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and open up this box and see what we got. All right, so we got it all unpacked here. It comes with your instructions, a quick start. We have a power cord, guitar pick, and then a little pamphlet to show the other speakers. I happen to have a ROCKSTER Cross as well, which is awesome. The battery power lasts forever. I love that little speaker. It's nice and loud. And then we have the speaker itself. So we change the perspective here. All right, so this is what it looks like from the front. You have your speaker and everything, and if we turn it around, it does have on the bottom here some nice pads so it doesn't move and slip around. Then we have our back side here. So on the back, let's look at the top. The top, we have our power button, the Bluetooth, the play pause button, your bass, your treble, and your volume. And then it's got the light up stuff over here. Now on the back here, let's get a little closer. We have a plethora of stuff depending on what you're using this for. Your battery status, your party link if you have more than one speaker, different setups. You can change your volume on your Bluetooth, your auxiliary, your instrument, all that stuff. If you're using it for a speaker, for a microphone, you have all your plugins for that, and then you also have your power plug-in over here. This little compartment here is a battery, so if the battery ever goes really bad, you can change it out right there. So with that, now if we turn it on, powers up, and then now we're in pairing mode, and so we're going to go ahead and pair it. Alright, so we're all hooked up. I was playing some random country station. But you have your master volume here. Obviously that works. And then down here, if I had other stuff going on, like a microphone or whatever else, I could adjust the volume. So if I turn this down, that turns the Bluetooth part down, and if I had a microphone, I could turn that up so you can get both going at the same time. Alright, and then you want to turn down your bass, you can. You want to turn it up, you can. Whatever you want, whatever you like. So it gets nice and loud. But pretty good speaker. I'm gonna have it here in the garage and probably travel with it a little bit depending where I'm going. But I thoroughly enjoy it. It's pretty cool. ROCKSTER. The only thing that I would ever say is that it doesn't have wheels, and so it's a little bit heavy to carry around long distances. So that would be the only thing I would say about this thing, is if it had wheels, that would just put it right at the top. But not a big deal. Just so you know, you can also plug in a phone with a USB-C, so you can charge your phone while you're rocking out to some music here. So that is the Fender ROCKSTER Air 2. If you have any questions, comments, concerns on it, please leave them in the comments below. Hit like, subscribe, and we will talk to you soon.